Want to know in and around computer? Our channel has playlists on recent trends, programming, computer networks, and lot more with 140 plus videos. Subscribe for more videos. Python is so popular for a number of reasons. Here's a deeper look at what makes it so versatile and easy to use for the coders. We can dive into that. First, it has a simple syntax that mimics natural language, so it's easier to read and understand. This makes it quicker to build projects and faster to improve on them. And next reason is why Python is so popular is it is versatile. That is, Python can be used for many different tasks from web development to machine learning. So this is one of the reason, and it's beginner friendly, making it popular for entry level coders also. So, and this is beginner friendly. That and next reason is that it's open source, which means it's free to use and distribute even for commercial purposes. The next is that Python has an archive of modules and libraries, which are the bundles of code that third-party users have created to expand Python's capability. And this is vast and growing. So this is one of the main reason why Python is so popular. And the next one is the last thing is Python has a large and active community that it contributes to Python's pool of modules and libraries and acts as helpful resource for other programmers. So these are all the reasons that makes Python so popular. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.